Sånt ska ut till kolmas linja 3.
It's amazing what's up today on the 19th of July 2024. Here's the staircase C of this building. Oh, so
Yeah.
I think somebody.
Yeah. And the address is Neljäs linja 4, but there are also 2 staircases at the kolmas linja side. I think you haven't filmed them, but
We have to check them.
yeah.
But I think I filmed the staircase D here
Yeah,
before.
yeah, you filmed it.
And then I probably didn't film that other, like the staircase C in that
Yeah,
neighboring house. No, I didn't.
yeah,
Probably not.
yeah.
Yes, I filmed D here. That's why I thought I had filmed that, but it was not.
Yeah.
Yes, and the serial number is H10902 and built in 1963, probably the beginning of 1963. And we'll try to rise here.
Yeah.
I love the sunset as well here.
Same here.
It's also in Kone up in Helsinki, of course.
Tittback wise that made it by Kone, and this one should be in Swedish.
Yeah, of course. Too bad it's only in Finnish and English. Should be also in Swedish.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. There is the step.
That's